Good day, friends. Welcome to today's section of Hamster Combat Puzzle. Today, we are going to unlock the puzzle for this day. Without wasting your time, let's rush into the puzzle and have it unlocked. So, it has some very simple steps. First of all, we will go to the Hamster Puzzle mini game and click on it and choose the puzzle game. And this is our puzzle. Please take it gently so you will not make mistake. It's as simple as ABC, and that is our puzzle being solved for today. And do well to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification. Thank you.